Item: SCP-107. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-107 poses no immediate threat, so long as it does not come into contact with any liquid. As such, it is stored at Site-19 in a 5 meter square containment cell, on a 1 meter high pedestal, inside a clear Perspex container. Experimentation with SCP-107 is to be carried out at Research Area 06, a 484 km2, 22x22 km, area of desolate land dedicated to this purpose. Anyone who attempts to activate SCP-107 outside of an approved experiment must be eliminated with any force necessary. Access to and removal of the object requires the authorization of 2 Level 4 personnel, and the approval by said personnel of a full experimental procedure. Should SCP-107 become active while within Site-19, 2 Class D personnel are to remove it from the site via one of the item transport trucks in Loading Bay 02. This procedure must be followed regardless of the substance that activated SCP-107, given the unpredictable nature of the item's effect on plant matter. SCP-107 should only be returned once precipitation has ceased completely and any abnormal plant growth has been neutralized or contained for further study. Description: SCP-107 resembles the top section of a hollow turtle shell. The shell is composed of a hardened biological material of unknown origin. Despite its appearance, whether this material is derived from the shell of a standard sea turtle, superfamily Cheloniaidae, is, as yet, unknown. The item is completely inert until the inside of the turtle shell comes into contact with a liquid. When it does so, said liquid appears to be absorbed very quickly. Where the liquid drains to is unknown, given the lack of visible pores on the inside of the shell. Once active, the red edge of the shell glows dimly, and the substance placed into the shell begins to precipitate in the atmosphere and fall as rain in the area at least 0.5 meters, but less than 10 kilometers, from the object. This phenomenon is mobile. Moving SCP-107 will move the area of effect, along with the exclusion zone. The duration and intensity appears proportional to the amount of liquid placed in the shell. 10 milliliters of water resulted in just under half an hour of light drizzle, whereas filling to around the 3/4 mark set off 2 days of torrential rain. Precipitation generated by SCP-107 has varying effects on plant matter, although these effects are only seen in plants grown within the effect zone. Watering other plants with collected liquid causes no abnormal reaction. See Experimental Log. Addendum 107-2.